So a real hovercraft has a skirt to hover over uneven terrain, and I just copied the tiny Whoov design basically here. I used a milk bottle instead of foam, just the bottom part of a milk bottle. And this is the original tiny Whoov drawing. I don't take any credits for a hovercraft. I just copied it with this milk bottle. Anyway, I cut out the ducts here, the place for the ducts, and I reused a frame. I lengthened the wires, by the way. I placed the frame below, and the battery is there with a Velcro double-sided Velcro tape. And the way I did the skirt was I took a sandwich bag and I wrapped the sandwich bag once, make it a tight fit, and I cut the sandwich bag a little bit accordingly to length. And I used this rubber band and I wrapped that around the bag. And I used a little bit of I used two rubber bands because one was too short and the hole has to be a little bit bigger because the motors don't provide enough power for that. So I took two rubber bands, connected them up, made a larger rubber band, slide that around the plastic bag, and then I folded over the plastic bag and again taped it here to make this rubbery skirt, so that it can hover over uneven terrain like on carpet and not only on flat floors.